Hi, you just completed an exploration where you learned how gestures can be used with your microbit. Let's summarize what you learned. We learned how to use the on button press function, which will complete any actions found inside the function once the noted button is pressed. We learned how to use the on gesture.shake function, which will complete any actions listed inside the function once the microbit is shaken. We also saw a few more gestures that can be used as functions in our programs. The onLogoDown function completes the listed actions when the microbit logo is oriented downwards and the board is vertical. And the onLogoUp function completes commands when the logo is oriented upwards and the board is vertical. The onScreenDown function completes the listed actions when the microbit screen faces downwards, and the onScreenUp commands are completed when the screen is facing upwards. The onPinPressed function completes the listed commands when a pin is touched and then released, and the onPinReleased function completes the commands only when a pin is released. Note that the options for pin inputs here are touchPin.P0, touchPin.P1, and touchPin.P2. We also saw that the onGesture function allows us to use even more gestures to control our programs, such as 3G, freefall, 6G, tilt left, 8G, and tilt right. Now it's your turn to use these sensors to develop programs of your own.